Peace be upon you. Hello, grade 3. Welcome. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Today, we'll have Unit 5 at the zoo. We will continue. First, we will start Lesson 5. Objectives, what we will have today. We'll start with phonics, PH, WH, and syllables. Next, we will have a review. هناخد مراجعة on Unit 5 كلها. Let's start first with phonics. First, we'll start with vocabulary of the phonics. هناخد النهاردة أول sound whale, whale, whale. Number 2 white, white, white. When, when, where, where. الساوندز المشتركة عندي هنا WH and we have the H silent. We said wa like whale, white, when, where. Repeat after me. Whale, white, when, where. Next sound. Next sound we'll have photos, photos, photos. Elephant, elephant, elephant. We have PH, we say it fa. BH, we say it fa, like elephant and photos. Now we have word syllables. Word syllables. We have one syllable. Words with one syllables. زي ايه؟ Where, where, when, whale, whale. These are one syllable word. يعني أنا عندي كلمات من one syllable مقطع صوتي واحد. I have two syllables like photo, photo. Three syllables, three syllables. نقرأ مع بعض. Elephant, elephant. Carpenter, carpenter. Sharpener, sharpener. يبقى words consist of بتتكون من عندنا one syllable, two syllables and three syllables. Now it's review time. Let's revise unit 5. نرجع مع بعض. First we talked about animals and habitats. That was first part. كان أول جزء عندنا اتكلمنا عن الحيوانات وعايشين فين. First we described the zoo. ازاي اوصف الزو؟ we used there is and there are. There is for singular, there are for plural. For example, there is a lion in the zoo. There is a lion in the zoo. There are pandas in the zoo. There are pandas in the zoo. Next, we talked about where the animals live. كل حيوان بيعيش فين. The hippo lives in the lake. The hippo lives in the lake. The elephant lives in the grasslands. The elephant lives in the grasslands. وقلنا في كمان two animals معي. The giraffe and the lion. The giraffe lives in the grasslands. The lion lives in the grasslands. The pandas live in the bamboo forest. The pandas live in the bamboo forest. The penguin lives next to the sea. The penguin lives next to the sea. وقلنا هنخلي بالنا مع المفرد for singular we add s to the verb. لو عندي مفرد we add s بنضيف s للverb. If I have plural لو عندي جمع مش بضيف حاجة. Next, part 2. we talked about suggestion الاقتراح how to make a suggestion and how to respond ازاي اقول اقتراح وارد عليه. I have two sentences. First we have let's watch the hippos. Let's watch the hippos. Number two, how about watching the hippos. How about watching the hippos. هنا how about بجيب بعديها الverb plus ing لكن let's بجيب بعدها الانفينيتيف. طب the respond ازاي اجاوب على الاقتراح. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Next part directions ازاي اوصف الطريق لما اسأل where are the hippos. Where are the hippos. We have go straight ahead and turn right. Go straight ahead and turn right. After that بعد كده سألنا what's your favorite animal. What's your favorite animal عن الحيوان المفضل. My favorite animal is the penguin. My favorite animal is the penguin. وسألنا where does the penguin live. Where does the penguin live. It lives next to the sea. It lives next to the sea. رجعنا الفراكشنز الكسور. First قلنا نص يعني half. Half. تلت 1/3. 1/3. قلنا هنقول الرقم الأولاني زي ما هو 1 والرقم التاني بنزود له اللي من تحت th. 1/4. 1/4. 1/5. 1/5. 1/6. 1/6. 1/8. 1/8. 1/10. 1/10. 1/12. 1/12. We protect the environment ازاي نحمي البيئة. First we have to plant trees. Plant trees. Number two, sort trash. Sort trash. Reuse all things. Reuse يعني نعيد استخدام all things. Recycle. Recycle. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Don't pollute the river. Don't pollute the river. Don't pollute the cities. Don't pollute the cities. Don't go by car. Don't go by car. Part 2, helping animals. Helping animals. How can we help animals? First, we can plant flowers. We can plant flowers to help bees. We can plant flowers to help bees. Number two, put food and water. Put food and water. Put food and water on your balcony for birds. Put food and water on your balcony for birds. Clean animals' habitats. Clean animals' habitats with your friends. Clean animals' habitats with your friends. Recycle. Recycle. Glass, paper, and plastic. Recycle. Glass, paper, and plastic. Don't pollute the sea. Don't pollute the sea. Don't pollute the sea. Now, let's revise imperative. Plant trees. Plant trees. Put water and food for birds. Put water and food for birds. يبقى لما أحب أطلب أو أأمر بفعل شيء start with infinitive like plant or put. يبقى ببدأ بالفعل مصدر as we say plant trees and put water and food for birds. النيجاتيف لو عايزة أنهيك عن فعل شيء we say don't pollute the river. Don't throw litter on the floor. يبقى start with don't plus infinitive. Now let's remember Finally آخر حاجة معانا we will revise what we have in unit 5. First we have zoo animals and habitats. اتعلمنا عن الزو animals. habitats where do they live. where do they live. كل حيوان كان عايش فين. how to talk about directions. اتكلمنا عن directions اتجاهات. turn right turn left go straight ahead. make suggestion ازاي اعمل اقتراح. let's plus infinitive or how about plus ing. وكان response ان انا ارد اقول ايه that's a good idea. protect the environment و helping animals. what should I do. اعمل ايه to protect my environment عشان احمي البيئة and to help animals. Finally we have phonics, two sounds WH and PH, and we have syllables. This is unit 5. I hope it was easy. Thanks for watching. أتمنى أن تكون الوحدة سهلة.
Thanks for watching.